In the shadows of the earthly power struggles, a new empire is quietly rising not on land, but in the boundless expanse of space. While the world watches Elon Musk and SpaceX redefine the final frontier, China is quietly laying the foundation for a cosmic dominion that could soon outshine them all. The China Academy of Launch Vehicle Technology unveiled a promotional space rocket movie that featured what appeared to be a SpaceX Starship clone. It's astonishing that there aren't more clones in existence for a corporation the size and profitability of SpaceX. However, it appears like China might have one shortly. In today's video, explore how China is silently building the space empire of the world and what this means for the future of space travel. The rise of China in space. It wasn't too long ago that the United States and the Soviet Union were the only two players in the space race. Fast forward to today, and China has rapidly become a formidable contender in this high-stakes game. The nation has invested billions into its space program, achieving milestones that have captured global attention. In April of this year, the China Academy of Launch Vehicle Technology released a promotional video that took the internet by storm. This wasn't just any ordinary video. It showcased a spacecraft design that looks strikingly similar to SpaceX's Starship, a design that has been the talk of the space community for years. This wasn't a coincidence. Founded by Elon Musk in 2002, SpaceX has set the standard for space exploration with its revolutionary reusable rockets and ambitious goals. Their super heavy boosters, designed to launch, detach, and return to Earth for reuse, seemed like something out of a science fiction movie when first proposed. Yet, SpaceX made it a reality, drawing the attention and admiration of space agencies around the world, including China. Now, China's rapid advancements signal that they're not just following, but are actively shaping the future of space exploration. The strategic imitation. Let's face it, when you're competing with one of the most innovative companies on the planet, imitation isn't just flattery, it's a strategic move. China has clearly been paying close attention to SpaceX's success, and the viral video from April shows just how much they've taken to heart. China's spacecraft, which many have dubbed a Starship clone, isn't just a carbon copy. It's a testament to how seriously China is taking its role in the modern space race. The similarities are hard to ignore, from the reflective stainless steel exterior to the triangular fins designed for aerodynamic precision. China has adopted these designs not just because they're aesthetically pleasing, but because they're proven to work and demonstrate China's capability to compete on a global scale. China has set ambitious goals for itself. They plan to make their version of a reusable orbital rocket a reality by 2045. But they're not stopping there. By 2035, they hope to use this technology for cargo transport, testing suborbital travel extensively before eventually allowing human passengers on board. This approach mirrors SpaceX's careful development and testing of its own Starship program, showcasing China's intention to match and possibly exceed its rivals by innovating on proven successes. The suborbital passenger flight concept. Now, let's talk about one of the most exciting concepts revealed in the viral video, the idea of suborbital passenger flights. Imagine being able to travel from New York to Shanghai in just 39 minutes. Sounds like something out of a futuristic novel, right? Well, China is working to turn that fiction into reality. The concept is simple yet groundbreaking. Passengers would board a spacecraft that takes a vertical launch, reaching suborbital heights before descending back to Earth all within an hour, the most thrilling part. Passengers would get to experience zero gravity for a portion of the journey, floating weightlessly as they travel across the globe. This idea isn't new though. Back in 2017, SpaceX revealed its vision of a future where suborbital space travel would become a regular mode of transportation. The goal was to create an end-to-end transportation system that could get you anywhere on Earth in a matter of hours. China's latest concept is a direct echo of SpaceX's vision, but with its own unique twists and timelines. While experts predict that we're still about 20 years away from seeing this concept become a reality, the very fact that China is working on it shows its determination to lead in this space. The potential impact on global travel and commerce is immense, and China is positioning itself to be at the forefront of this revolution. The Mars mission. But China's ambitions don't stop at Earth's orbit. They've got their sights set on Mars as well. In May 2021, China achieved a monumental feat by successfully landing its first Mars rover, the Zhurong, on the Red Planet. This made China the second country in the world, after the United States, to soft land a rover on Mars and establish communications from its surface. The Zhurong rover, named after a Chinese mythological god of fire, is equipped with solar power technology designed to last at least 90 Martian days, or sols. Each sol is just slightly longer than a day on Earth, lasting about 24 hours and 39 minutes. The rover's mission is to explore the Martian surface, study its geology, and search for signs of water and life, laying the groundwork for future exploration and potential human missions. This achievement is a significant milestone, not just for China, but for the entire global space community. For the first time in nearly 24 years, the United States isn't alone on Mars. China's success with the Zhurong rover marks a major step forward in the modern space race, and it's a clear signal that China is here to stay, with ambitions that extend well beyond our home planet. The implications for the future. So, what does all of this mean for the future of space exploration? China's rapid progress and ambitious goals are reshaping the landscape of the modern space race. While SpaceX, Blue Origin, and other private companies in the West are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, China is quietly building its own space empire, one that could soon rival, or even surpass, the achievements of other nations. China's strategy is clear. They're not just imitating the success of others, they're learning from it and building upon it. By adopting and adapting proven technologies, they're accelerating their progress and positioning themselves as a leader in space exploration. Their focus on reusable rockets, suborbital travel, and Mars exploration shows that they're not just content with following in the footsteps of others, they're blazing their own trail. But with this rapid progress comes a new set of challenges and questions. How will the rest of the world respond to China's growing influence in space? Will this lead to increased collaboration or heightened competition? And most importantly, what does this mean for the future of humanity's journey to the stars? The strategic implications of China's space program. China's advancements in space technology are not just about scientific exploration or national pride. They have profound strategic implications. By developing its own reusable rockets and space travel systems, China is positioning itself as a key player in the commercialization of space. The ability to launch and reuse rockets at a lower cost opens up opportunities for China to dominate the space logistics market, offering affordable satellite launches, cargo transport, and eventually, passenger travel. This could significantly impact global trade, communications, and even defense, as space becomes the next frontier for economic and military power. Moreover, China's focus on creating a space empire extends beyond Earth. The country's interest in lunar and Martian exploration suggests a long-term vision of establishing bases on other celestial bodies, which could serve as strategic outposts for further exploration and resource extraction. With initiatives like the Chang'e lunar program and the Tianwen Mars missions, China is not just aiming to explore space, but to create a sustainable presence there. This vision aligns with the broader goal of becoming a multiplanetary species, a concept often championed by SpaceX, but now clearly within China's strategic objectives as well. The global space race. Competition or collaboration. As China continues to make strides in space exploration, the global community is faced with a critical question. Will the future of space be defined by competition or collaboration? The modern space race is no longer just about national pride or geopolitical dominance. It's about the survival and advancement of humanity as a whole. SpaceX's Elon Musk has long advocated for collaboration in space exploration, arguing that the challenges of space travel are too great for any single entity to overcome alone. However, China's approach suggests that while collaboration is possible, competition is inevitable. China's advancements are undoubtedly driven by the desire to establish itself as a dominant force in space, but this doesn't preclude the possibility of collaboration. In fact, as the global space community grows, there may be opportunities for China and other nations or private entities to work together on projects that benefit all of humanity. For example, international partnerships on space stations, lunar bases, or even Mars colonization could become a reality as the costs and risks of space exploration continue to rise. However, for now, it seems that China is focused on solidifying its position in the space race, and the world will be watching closely to see how this silent empire continues to expand its reach beyond our planet. As we look to the future, one thing is clear: the modern space race is far from over. With China emerging as a major player, the stakes have never been higher. The race to explore, colonize, and perhaps even commercialize space is on, and it's anyone's game. Whether it's through reusable rockets, suborbital passenger flights, or Mars missions, China is making it known that it intends to be a dominant force in this new era of space exploration. As we continue to watch their progress, one thing is certain: the future of space is going to be more exciting, more competitive, and more groundbreaking than ever before. So keep your eyes on the stars and on China's rapidly growing space program. The silent empire they're building could very well be the key to humanity's next giant leap into the cosmos. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future updates. What do you think about China's space ambitions? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, keep dreaming big and reaching for the stars.